Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since my last upload and it's because this piece was such a pain to paint. The last time I painted something similar, I was so sick of circles that I didn't want to do it again. I remember telling myself that the next time I do this, it will be a year later or something. But you know what they say? Pain has no memory, and here I am, once again, embarking on this journey of 1,000 circles. So today's painting is a bokeh forest. These bokeh pieces are a little more extreme than the usual cityscape ones that I do with a few little circles here and there to mimic the city lights. This time, I wanted the whole landscape to be in circles. I'm not exactly sure if it came out the way it's supposed to be, but from a distance, I think I've managed to capture the bokeh effect, if you squint your eyes and the light is shining through the forest trees. It's still far from perfect. I find it tricky to capture the light just with the positioning of the circles. Basically, the lighter circles reflects the light and the darker ones are the shadows. Am I happy with this? I feel as if the relief of completing it has overwhelmed any of my other feelings for this piece. It was tedious and repetitive, and I'm about half blind now with an awful backache now that it's over with. This voiceover is starting to turn into a rant session, but just bear with me for a bit after the whole ordeal. So, if you ever want to try this, it's actually not difficult to paint, just tedious. Start by mapping out the trees, paint the background, blur the trees by blending all the sharp edges, and then add the bokeh circles. Light colors for where the light is shining upon, and dark colors for where the shadows are. I hope you like this painting. This is listed on Etsy, link is in description below. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.